This is a 2015 Nissan Frontier, and basically I order from Rago Fabrications the set of two ditch brackets for the side of the truck. So what I want to do is I just want to make a quick video for you guys to see how the things work. I call Mario Rago, which is one of the designers on these brackets, and he told me to that it was really easy to install these brackets. So basically what you do is you go ahead and take these screws right over here from the fender. There's one, two right here, one, then two right here, over here, and then you also get these two screws, which is going to be like this ones right here. And as if you see, what I did is I actually put a clamp attached to this, and also this one across, and that way I can force the fender to be able to see these little two I think these are like 13 size bolts. So to be able to go ahead and unscrew this ones and be able to put the bracket. So I already just did this. Also, you have to consider then in order for the fender to be able to be more accessible for you to go ahead and be able to push it backwards. I mean, not backwards, but out towards outside. You have to take this bolt right on the side, which is a tiny little bolt right here like this, and it's really easy. So just want to let you guys know. I think Mario haven't make a video on how to install this, but I took the time to go ahead and show you guys. So basically I took the small bolts that it comes with the car, or with the original from the manufacturers, which are this ones right here. And when you order the brackets, the brackets comes with these two long bolts and washes. So I think that's slightly a little bigger, so that way you can go ahead and tie them up really good, and the hinge won't be able to be unscrewed that easy. So this is how you do it. So basically you do this one. I'm still working on this one, so basically I just need to finish this up, tie them up, and then from there you just need to go ahead and connect your ditch lights, and you'll be done. So I'm just gonna do this one right now, finish it up, and then put the final touches a little later. Okay, so here it is, how to do it. Two right here, one right here, one over here, I'm sorry, here, and also the two right here. So that's it, guys. So hope this can help you out to make things a lot easier for you guys. All right, thank you.